Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Wise Hermit. A moral story: do not be greedy and fulfill your duty. Once, there was a wise hermit. Everyone spoke about his wisdom. The king decided to call him to his palace. When the hermit arrived, the king spoke to the hermit and realized that the people were right. The king was wise. He offered the hermit to stay in the palace. "My palace will be blessed if you stay here with us." The hermit was obliged, but replied, "A hermit belongs in nature. I can't stay here and enjoy all the worldly pleasures. I must live in a small hut in the forest." The king was impressed and said, "I understand, but ask me for any wish and I will make sure it is fulfilled." The hermit humbly replied, "I have everything I want. You are the king. Be kind to your people and be fair. This is the biggest gift you can give me." The king always did his duty well.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.